बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान नहायत रहम वाला है। क्लास 9th सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स बाय मोहम्मद बदर। Exercise 1.4. Before to start this exercise, we should know the definition of multiplication of matrices. Two matrices A and B are conformable for multiplication, giving product A into B if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. For example, that we have two matrices A and B. The number of columns of A is equal to 2 and number of rows of B also equal to 2. Since number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B, so matrices A and B are conformable for multiplication. Question number 1. Which of the following product of matrices is conformable for multiplication? Part 3. We have two matrices and we have to check whether they are conformable for multiplication. The number of columns of first matrix is equal to 1 and number of rows of second matrix is equal to 2, as 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, product is not possible. Part 5. Here again we have two matrices and we have to check whether they are conformable for multiplication. Here number of columns of first matrix is equal to 3 and number of rows of second matrix is equal to 3. As 3 is equal to 3, therefore product is possible. Dear students, you can solve remaining parts easily. Question number 2. We have two matrices A and B and we have to find A into B and B into A. In part 1, first of all we will find AB. To find AB, we will multiply first row of first matrix to the first column of the second matrix, like this. And then we will multiply second row of the first matrix to the first column of the second matrix. And then we simplify and we got 18,4. Now we will find BA. Because the number of columns of B is not equal to number of rows of A. Therefore, product is not possible. Question number 3. Find the following products. First part, we have to multiply these two matrices. We multiply row to the column. We have 4 plus 0 and we have the final answer 4. Part 5. We have to multiply these two matrices. As we know that when we have to multiply two matrices, first of all, we will multiply first row of first matrix to the first column of the second matrix. And similarly, first row of the first matrix to the second column of the second matrix. Like this. And then we simplify the values and we have the final result, this one. Dear students, you can solve remaining parts easily. Question number 4. Multiply the following matrices. Part A. We have to multiply these two matrices. The solution is, we will multiply first row to the first column and then first row to the second column of the second matrix, and similarly. And after simplification, we have the result this. Question number 4, part D. Here we have to multiply two different matrices. Its solution is, first of all, we will multiply first row of the first matrix to the first column of the second matrix, and then first row of the first matrix to the second column of the second matrix, like this. Similarly, we will multiply second row of first matrix to the first and second columns of the second matrix. After solving the values, we have the final result -4, 0, -4, 1. You can solve remaining. Question number 5. Here we have matrices A, B and C, and we have to verify whether first part AB is equal to BA. Its solution is AB is equal to A multiply B. We will multiply these two matrices, and after solving we have the result AB is equal to minus 10, minus 17, 2 and 4, showing equation number 1. Now we will find BA. Similarly, by multiplying the entries of B and A, and after solving the values, we have the result of BA is equal to, showing by equation number 2. From equations 1 and 2, we conclude that AB is not equal to BA. It means in matrix algebra, matrices are not commutative. You can solve remaining parts easily. Question number 6. For the matrices A, B and C, verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose multiply A transpose. Its solution is, in part 1 we have to find A multiply B whole transpose is equal to B transpose multiply A transpose. Left hand side is equal to AB whole transpose. First of all, we will find values of A multiply B. By multiplying entries of A and B, and after solving, we have the result of AB is equal to this one. This implies that by taking transpose, we have AB transpose is equal to minus 10 to minus 17 4 by showing equation number 1. Now we will find right hand side, that is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Putting values of B and A, and after taking their transpose, we have B transpose multiply A transpose. After solving, the solution is B transpose multiply A transpose is equal to this one by showing equation number 2. From equations 1 and 2, we conclude that A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose multiply A transpose.